Step number 1. Gather needed equipment. We need a basin, rubber sheet, bath towel, bath blankets, 6 washcloths, thermometer, hot water bag with cover, and ice cup with cover. Step number 2. Perform hand washing. We have to wash our hands before having contact with our patient in order to reduce the number of microorganisms in our hands and reduce the risk of transmitting disease-causing microorganisms to our patients. Step number 3. Knock and carry equipment to the bedside.
Hi ma'am, good morning.
Step number 4. Introduce self and identify the client. Then explain the procedure to be done.
Ma'am, good morning. Ako gali ma'am, si Isa John Wesca, ang nurse nga na-assign sa imo. Ano ba itong ngalan ma'am?
Crystal Jane Sante.
Pwede ko mamalato imo mga ano? Okay. So ma'am, ang obrahon nato nga procedure subong ma'am, ano to ma'am, masibinat ikaw ma'am para magnubo imo ma'am nga temperature. Okay ma'am? Sige.
Step number 5. Provide for client privacy. Close the windows and doors and turn off air cons or electric fans to prevent chills and for the privacy of the client. Step number 6. Wear gloves.
Ma'am, gusto mo mamangihi ma'am?
Hindi.
Step number 7. Obtain relevant baseline data.
So ma'am, kaunti mo nga body temperature.
This provide comparative baseline data. Step number 9. Remove the gown of the patient.
So ma'am, kaunti mo mga gamon.
Step number 10. Change the top sheet with bath blanket. Fold and remove top sheet from under blanket.
If the top sheet is to be reused, we have to fold it and place it at the back of the chair. But if the top sheet is soiled, then we have to dispose it in the hamper. So the next step is we have to protect the bottom sheet with the bath blanket.
Lower down the side rail.
So ma'am, pwede ito magkatakalid ma'am. Then we have to put the side rail up.
Fan fold the bath blanket to the back of the patient. Get the rubber sheet and do the same thing with the bath blanket. pull the side rail up. Put the side rail down and ask the client to turn to the side. Pull the fan folded sheet and cover it to the bed. Then assist the client in a supine position. Make sure that the patient is comfortable. Step number 10. Place bath towel lengthwise under axilla and shoulder. Bath towel protects the lower bed sheet from getting wet. Step number 11. Place ice cup on the head and hot water bag to the feet. This provide comfort and chilling for the patient. Step number 12. Place the 6 washcloths in the basin of water. The temperature of water is based on the preference of the patient. Step number 30. Slightly wring out one washcloth and place it around the neck. Step number 14. Sponge the face. Step number 15. Place remaining washcloths under axilla and each groin.
Mahakwat ko man ha.
The axilla and groin contain large superficial blood vessels that aid in the transfer of heat. Washcloth need to be as moist as possible to be effective.
Ma'am, mabutan ko ma'am kasi binam si mo hita ma'am ha. Isa pa ma'am.
Step number 16. Leave washcloths in place for about 5 minutes. Step number 17. Sponge arms and legs slowly and gently. Sponge the arms and legs slowly and gently for about 5 minutes, as tolerated by the client. When sponging the extremities, hold the washcloths briefly over the wrist and ankle. The blood circulation is close to the skin surface in the wrist and ankle. Expose only the area that is being sponged. Step number 18. Sponge back and pat it dry.
Ma'am, patakidlon ta ka ma'am ha, kay masibin ko sa likod.
Assist the patient to turn on the side in order to sponge the back.
Mga batang na
Assist the patient to turn on her original position. Step number 19. Remove the code application from axilla and groin.
Ma'am, kuhaon na ma'am natin ang sibin sa imong mga ilo. Kakita ma'am ha.
Dry the areas using a patting motion.
Ma'am, bulon to naman ang isa pagod ma'am ha. Kita mo pagod ma'am.
Step number 20. Put on client's gown and remove rubber sheet and bath blanket.
Sibin nila. Sige.
Fan fold the rubber sheet as well as the bath blanket. Turn the client to the side. Pull the rubber sheet and bath blanket. Assist the patient into a supine position and make sure that the patient is comfortable. Step number 21. Remove hot water bag and ice cup on the head. Step number 22. Change bath blanket with a clean top sheet. Make the client feel comfortable.
Komportable na kita ma'am.
Step number 23. Take the equipment to the utility room. Step number 24. Check the temperature after 30 minutes.
Ma'am, kwaunti mo mong body temperature, ma'am, liwat, ma'am, ha?
Step number 26. Document the procedure done.